No human built this. Every pomegranate you've ever tasted came from a machine you've never seen. The truck doesn't stop. It never has. Something ancient is moving through something modern tonight. Crates stacked like crowns wait in the cold. Inside each one, a fruit that once bought kingdoms. One pomegranate, one camera, 1 millisecond. And already the machine knows more than any farmer ever could. They don't travel in crowds here. Every fruit moves alone, separated, measured, judged. Light passes through the skin and the secrets come out. What looks perfect from the outside rarely survives this moment. The water hits first, cold, pressurized, relentless. What the farm left behind begins its long disappearance. Brushes the size of fingers reach where fingers never should. Every crevice surrenders to something that never tires. No one is watching this panel right now. And that is exactly how it was designed. Water dies here and is immediately reborn. The same molecule that cleaned the first fruit will clean the last. The fruit emerges from the tunnel and the air attacks it. In 6 seconds, nothing wet remains. Pressure, angle, velocity. All three are calculated. The pomegranate has no idea it is being dried with mathematics. Blue light means continue. Amber means something else entirely. The fruit that chose the wrong lane will never become juice. A fog so fine, it is almost imaginary surrounds the fruit. 5 seconds later, every surface has been sanitized without a single human touch. The door that lets it in refuses to let air out. What happens beyond this point happens in a sealed world. A laser draws the line first. Then the blade follows, and the pomegranate opens like a secret. Inside is something that has never been touched by light before. Thousands of arils, each one a small chamber of red. Rubber paddles beat the skin like a quiet drum. One by one the arils fall, each landing with a sound like a single raindrop. 4 degrees Celsius. Laminar flow. Perfect stillness. The arils travel forward like rubies moving through water because they are. The white membrane floats up, and the machine drinks it away. What remains is only what you will eventually drink. The skin, the part you never eat, is already becoming something else. Nothing in this building is ever wasted. Bubbles rise from below and tumble the fruit gently. It is the softest violence you have ever witnessed. A camera sealed behind sapphire glass watches each aril underwater. One broken seed, and the whole piece is quietly redirected. Water pours back through the holes with a sound like applause. The arils emerge lighter, cleaner, almost luminous. Warm air at 35 degrees finds every surface. The arils are being made ready for something they cannot know is coming. The bladder expands and the press begins, softly at first. Then the juice comes, dark as a wound, clean as water. The first drop falls and the color is impossible. Ruby, maroon, something between blood and fire. A long breath escapes the machine as the press deflates. The seeds remain. Their story is not yet finished. Seeds, water jets, a rotating drum. What was waste is being turned into oil worth more than the juice. 60 degrees, tumbling, rattling against the mesh. The seeds are losing water they held for months in days. Hundreds of liters arrive in a single tank and begin to merge. A slow paddle stirs them together so gently that nothing breaks. The juice passes 3 filters and comes out a different thing entirely. What entered opaque leaves, translucent, brilliant, and still. A vacuum pulls the air from the juice before it can cause harm. What you taste later will be exactly what was pressed today. 85 degrees for exactly 30 seconds. The heat kills everything, and the flavor survives. The temperature drops from 85 to 4 in seconds. The juice doesn't know it just passed through fire. 1 valve, 2 directions, 2 completely different futures. The juice makes its choice without knowing it is choosing. Inside this pipe, the juice moves and the light bends through it. There is nothing else in the world this color. Glass bottles arrive in a heap and leave in a line. That transformation alone is a kind of miracle. The bottle flips upside down and the water speaks to it. Then air pushes the water out and the bottle is made ready. 24 filling heads, and none of them will overflow. Each one stops at exactly the right moment with a sound like a verdict. The juice rises from the bottom and stops before it reaches the top. Precision this clean was once only possible in science fiction. A cap descends, and the click means the outside world is sealed out forever. The tamper band locks and the journey to your hand begins. A puff of air delivers the label, and a roller presses it smooth. In 3 seconds, a bottle becomes a product. Cases close. Pallets build. Everything accelerates toward the door. Somewhere a truck is already waiting. A robot lifts 4 cases at once and places them without hesitation. It will do this 10,000 times before sunrise. The film wraps tight and the heat finds the edges. A pallet becomes a single object that can cross continents. On the other line, the juice is being stripped of its water. What remains will be 65 times more powerful than what entered. Through the glass, the color deepens into something ancient. Crimson, then purple, then something with no name. The bricks climbs and the machine holds its breath. At 65, the pump slows down. The concentrate is ready. What left the press as juice arrives here is something else. Thick, dense, almost alive in the way it moves. Cold blades scrape the walls and the concentrate cannot stick. It leaves smooth and glossy and absolutely perfect. A ribbon agitator turns at 3 revolutions per minute. It has been turning for 6 hours and will not stop. The nozzle fills the jar and stops without a drop wasted. A foil seal bonds to glass with a sound like silence being broken. A single jar of this concentrate will make liters of juice. The people who receive it will never see this room. The seeds enter the cold press and the oil begins to weep out. Golden. Slow. Worth more per milliliter than almost anything else here. Filter cloth traps what the eye could never see. The oil that emerges is as clear as thought. 30 milliliters. An amber bottle. A dropper cap. The byproduct of a pomegranate now costs more than the juice. In the control room, no one sits. No one needs to. Every decision made here tonight has already been made by someone who isn't here. Hot caustic solution floods the pipes and the tanks and the valves. The factory is cleaning itself from the inside out. UV light fills the filler cabinet and the carousel turns in purple darkness. Nothing survives this, and nothing is meant to. A hammer mill tears the rind into powder at a frequency that shakes the floor. A fruit that was once whole has now become 3 separate products. Water enters dirty and leaves clean and enters again. This factory drinks the same water it always has. 1 degree Celsius. Silence. Rows of pallets waiting in the dark. Every bottle here is a clock that started running the moment it was filled. The crane extends its forks and the pallet disappears into the system. A barcode beeps once and the order is already in transit. The dock leveler groans and the truck bed becomes the factory floor. A gap that was 30 meters this morning is now 0. The forklift hums into the trailer and the cold follows it inside. The chain of cold that began at 4 degrees Celsius will not break until your kitchen. The doors close with a sound that ends something. The condensation drips from the refrigeration unit and the truck pulls into darkness. Every hour, a robot arm collects a sample and the machine reads its own work. A number appears on a screen, and a human somewhere approves it without being here. The gas chromatograph separates the aroma into its individual truths. The machine reports that what you are about to taste will smell like a pomegranate. 15 degrees. Amber glass. A carousel that never sleeps. The seed oil leaves in the dark, quietly, the way valuable things often do. Crates return to the tunnel dirtier than they left. They will emerge in minutes ready to carry the next harvest. Caps climb a spiral ramp and orient themselves in mid-air. The bowl has been oscillating for so long it has worn a groove in the silence. A roll of labels ends and a new one begins without the line ever stopping. Continuity here is not an aspiration. It is an engineering requirement. Every bottle is photographed before it leaves. The ones that don't pass are never seen again. On the roof, massive fans breathe for the building. Everything inside is alive because the outside air is being remade. Inside the boiler, a flame has been burning since morning. Steam moves through the walls like a circulatory system. The compressor thumps and the cold spreads outward through the building. Somewhere in the dark, a fruit is staying at 4 degrees because of this machine. The switch room hums at 400 Hz, and no one visits it. Power moves silently to machines that never ask for it. A guided vehicle plays a soft chime at every intersection. It has never been wrong about which way to turn. Nitrogen separates from air and fills a tank that fills the factory. Every sealed container here breathes gas that was sky an hour ago. The screen cleans itself every few minutes without prompting. A brush spins. Debris falls. The water returns clean. It begins again. Pallets from 3 separate lines have converged here now. Juice, concentrate, oil, 1 fruit, 3 destinations, 1 dock. The heat sealing bar glows orange for a fraction of a second. The film tightens and the pallet is finished. A complete object ready for the world. A mixed load fills the trailer, and the 2 products have never met before. Tomorrow, they will be on shelves that are also strangers to each other. 2 degrees Celsius confirmed. Doors locked. Engine running. The cold chain that started 6 hours ago will not break now. The lights inside glow through the windows and fall on empty ground outside. The machines have entered maintenance mode, but they have not stopped. The camera rises and the factory shrinks, and the dark grows around it. 1 ding, 1 voice.
Stand by.
Cycle complete. Stand by. Then only the hum remains.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. These tips and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not represent AI visual as real footage.